Radio Shack has the hottest thing on wheels today, realistic two-way CB radio. We introduced our realistic CB line way back in 1960, and today we have 16 low-priced mobile and walkie-talkie models to choose from. Radio Shack also makes its own CB antennas, crystals, coax cables, and accessories. Equip your car, truck, or boat today with a realistic CB radio. Only at Radio Shack, a Tandy company.
Okay folks, this is the next, I guess, video, small series, I guess, going to be on the channel. It's on a CB radio, handheld, TRC-221, 40 channel, PLL, LCD display, walkie-talkie, 4 watt, 40 channel. Model number 21-1664, and originally sold for $199.95 at Radio Shack. Call hikers, campers, or fishermen back to the campsite easily. Save valuable time and footsteps with dependable job site communications. Keep in constant touch at your work site when hiking or camping, anywhere you need reliable two-way portable communications. No crystals to buy, comes ready to use on all 40 CB channels. TRC-221. It is a has a high-low power switch, built-in separate speaker and condenser microphone, easy to read illuminated LCD channel display, ceramic filter, adjustable squelch control, center-loaded telescopic antenna, automatic noise limiter, external antenna and charging jacks, low battery indicator, RF output power, high 4 watts, low 2 watts, jack for optional push-to-talk dynamic microphone, requires 8 alkaline or 10 nickel-cadmium rechargeable AA batteries. So there you have it. So let's just get this out of the box and have a wee peek at it here. The problem is it's not working too well. It was put away for close to 20 years and forgotten about. So still in our original foam wrapper. There's the radio, TRC-221. It's got the spare, or I should say the dummy battery. And it says to be used with 8 standard or alkaline pinlight batteries. It's a dummy. It's a dummy battery basically. So here is the radio. Let's put the phone back in the box so it doesn't get damaged. There we have it. That's the radio. On top you have your channel selector, your squelch control, on off volume, your external microphone, external speaker, you got your telescopic whip antenna. On the side you have your light and battery indicator and push to talk. And on the other side you have your high-low switch, your antenna jack, charging jack, and power jack. And of course, nice little hand strap to hold onto the radio. Because these are quite bulky, to say the least. But yeah, let's put a couple of batteries in her now and see if she can save herself. Let's see, it goes in. What's this piece of foam or foil? Jeez, I don't know what that's for. So let's. to go some more batteries. Luckily I have a few. I should check this, make sure I'm putting them in right. Yeah. And of course I need that gummy battery. Not sure how many we're supposed to have of those. I wonder anyway, so I'll stick that one in. And she goes dead away. And she is on. She's on all the time. Interesting. You can see the display is on. That is weird. And she doesn't go below channel 20. Interesting. Why would that be, do you think? I'd like to know why the LCD display is still on, even when you remove power from it. That is weird. Anyways. As you can see, I'll turn the channel, turn radio off, turn radio on. Kinda, as you can see, we change the channel selector. It's not going below channel 1. I turn it off. Basically 20 to channel 20 to 40. So you get 20 channels instead of 40. Weird. Right, so I have a realistic TRC-474 turned on here, mobile on channel 23. So now we're going to check to see if this 221 even receives anything. So let's have a key up and have a little chat here, shall we? Test 1 2 3 3 2 1 1 2 3 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 2 1. All right. So she receives. Let's see if she receives on all channels properly. So we've got channel 20 to channel 39 is all that she has. Interesting. Let's try to turn her off. See what happens here. Nothing. Didn't think it would be. Okay. I guess next thing we'll see if this handheld is transmitting anything. Alright, so I'm on 23. The radio is not. Is not going to transmit. So, pull the batteries out and have a peek inside and see what we can find. Not sure if that's normal or not, but why are those pins not even soldered? There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 pins on that side not even soldered, right? This side, one there. Wow. I guess I'll first start off by soldering those pins on and see where that takes us. Alright, so I got those gold pins resoldered. See if that makes any difference. I'm sure it didn't help. Okay, so just put the radio back together. TRC-221. You notice the LCD is not on now. Turn power on. Squelch appears to be working. And let's count her down here. And now, as you see, she's counting all the way to channel 1 to 40. So now she's working the way she should be working, in regards to channel selecting of that. So the question is, let's see, before I couldn't get the light or the battery indicator to come up, and I couldn't push to talk. So we'll try the light and battery indicator. That now works, as you see. And transmit.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. This is the realistic TRC-221. TRC-221, 40 channel AM, portable radio with a big long telescopic whip on her. And this is how she sounds. So she is transmitting. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's put her down on channel 2. It's right there.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1.
Channel 40.
1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Testing, testing, testing.
So the TRC-221 do indeed transmit now. So she's still receiving now. Because before, remember, she was receiving but not transmitting, and the LCD was messed up. So let's see now if she's receiving properly. And I'm transmitting on TRC-474. And the 221 has no receive. The volume control ain't doing anything either. Squelch is a little like a hiss in the speaker. Squelch is working. Volume, on the other hand, does not. So I guess we're going to pull her apart and have another look inside and see what's going on. Alright, so pulled her apart again, and I resoldered the connections to the LCD here again. Must have been when I soldered a pin. Must have made either probably a cold solder joint, so when I refloated again, everything came back. But anyways, or it could be just a bad wire here somewhere. This small board here slides up. It's possible that one of the pins underneath might not have been making a good connection, but
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
alright. Let's put her back together again and see what she does.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Testing 1, 2. Testing a TRC-221. Testing a realistic TRC-221. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Folks, there she is. Repaired. Realistic TRC-221. Battery's got a loose connection in there. Batteries were left in here at one point and got the contacts kind of messed up on the top part and the battery pack back here. Other than that, this 221 is repaired. Awesome.